Okay, so it's golden hour. I think we can go around now. Yun lang! I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Okay, hello vlog. So we're in Uber Works right now sa Katip, and we're getting a car wash. Kasi we'll be going to Autocraft Drift Fans Day. So we're bringing the two Bimmers, the E46, me Bimmer monkeys. So the E46 and the 36 ni editor's hand. So I wanted to bring a Honda, pero it has to be this one kasi it's a pair. And by pair, mamaya makikita nyo pag madilim na. What I mean by pair sila nung 46. Aside from being Bimmers, of course. Okay, we're done. Let's go! Okay, we're here. Ayan. We got here super early. So wala pa masyadong cars. It's just the stage. Ayan. Sisilaw na ako. Oh my god. Here's all the drift cars. Okay, so they're doing the shotguns now. Ayan. Ah!
Concerts and all. So I would like to thank each and every one of you, especially my team, Autocraft, sila Ashley, mga driver natin.
Okay, so it's golden hour. I think we can go around now. Ayan, so let's go around and check everything out. Okay, so these are some of the cars. Oh, it's a Galan. Cute. Silvia. And there's a Hilux over here. And ito ang mga favorite natin, E-case. Ayan. We got a B-series over here. And Sherman's case. Here is Resker. Ayan. And then today we brought the E36 Coupe. So this is the 328iS. And then, of course, Suri's car, the 330Ci of Bimmer Monkeys. And here are the Autocraft drift cars. Silvia. Safiro. Ayan. Ang cool talaga tingnan ng mga rear-mounted radiators. Ayan. So, there's drifting here. Dito sila nagdo-donuts, figure eights. So, they're doing shotgun rides right now.
Atras lang po tayo, atras lang po tayo. Dito po tayo na to. Atras po kayo, atras kayo.
Everybody, atras! Everybody, atras! Marshals!
So yeah, those are some of the stuff. Oh my god, si Editor San nag-enjoy sa bagong camera setup. Ayan o, tingnan mo, enjoy na enjoy siya. Ayan, B-roll machine. So that's your new camera, it's a ZV-1. bad yung Singapore vlog natin. Sobrang sama. Hindi ko ma-point yung camera ng tama. Kaya ayan, new camera. There's a Jeep. Sobrang intense naman bumabayo. And then there's a GSR. Look at that! It's a Euro 2! So cute! I like! I really find this super pretty. Pero feeling ko it's not gonna happen for me though. Ayan. Okay, so this is the Amsoil booth. Ayan. Look at that, it's a scooter. What is that? That's so cute. I like. Montero. That's nice. Oh, clear yung hood. Ang galing. That's interesting. Oh, what the heck? Even the ano is clear and you can see the... You can see through it. What the heck? That's crazy. Okay, so here we have a BRZ and a Lambo and our second Subi. Ayan. So that's about it. That's about it. So that's it for our walk around. Balik na tayo sa pinanggalingan natin. And take a quick break.
Give way! Kaya mo cool down the cars, cool down! Kailangan po mag-cool down!
Okay, walking. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, lakad lang. Oh my God. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so marami nag-hi, but the problem was I kept turning off the pocket. So, ang dami natin na-miss. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, hello. Ay, thank you. Ayan, mag-hi kayo sa vlog.
Subscribe kayo sa channel niya. Kamusta yung Honda?
Okay lang. Ay, hindi ko alam. Ayaw niyo umuwi. Sige. Alright. Ano?
Picture lang po.
Ay, sige. Kayo na humawak. Ayan.
Tapos yung mga...
Kasama to sa vlog.
Hello!
Yeah.
Okay mo na.
Sige. Alright. Let's do.
Following
Okay.
and support. 1 million, pare! 1 million!
Ay,
Congratulations, Sir Nick.
oh, we're taking a picture with the Jeep. Sige, game. Ayan. Ang dami nangyayari. Ay, sige. Okay.
Can we ask first, Shini, can I see the hands of oh, there you go. Christy, let's give light to that area right there. Boys, lipat tayo. Kapit bahay. Shini, like you hook. Shini! Where do you see?
Wait.
Hello! Oh, wala kami malakpakan dyan!
Hello.
Shini, how are you doing?
Okay lang, pawes.
We have been very curious. Ano bang baon mo today? Ano bang pinaon mo for Autocraft Drift Fans Day 3?
Okay, so my car is not running. So ang baon ko, hindi ko kotse. Itong dalawa.
Dalawang kotse!
Oo. So ang baon natin is Bimmer Monkeys. So, Bimmer Monkeys, yes. So we have the E46 330 Ci race car and this E36 na magiging race car.
Ma'am, have you seen these cars on the track? Have you tried driving them already?
This one, pinang Sunday drive ko
Sunday
recently.
drive!
Yeah! Tapos diretso Clark ko.
Magkasalino ngayon.
Ha? You know what? Kasing tipid siya ng Civic ko. So, okay lang. To be fair.
Lovely.
Yes.
Now, Jeannie, tell us
Alright.
about your suggestion kung paano maging professional driver.
Okay, so my suggestion is just keep trying, keep asking the right questions, or huwag kang mahiya maging newbie. It's okay to start somewhere, and everybody starts somewhere. Basta kapalan mo lang yung mukha mo hanggang sa makapasok ka na sa threshold na, oh, I'm doing it. Yeah. Lakas ang loob. Fake it till you make it. Diba? Yeah.
Ang nag-iisang pinagpapawan na technique ng lahat na hindi alam, secret lang. Di ba, Zane? Zane, you have a question, right?
Curious ako. Anong dream car mo talaga?
My dream car is a Datsun 240Z. Ha?
Magkano na ba yung ngayon sa price range?
Wala na, hindi mo na mapresyohan.
Wala na. Prestige na yun.
Very unique car.
Yeah.
Say anything, like...
Ay, wait! May isa pa ako dream car.
Tell me about it.
Carl, gusto ko ng E30.
How yayamanin mo?
They're jokes. But you get to drive these things. They're super beautiful to drive. So, ang message ko lang for today, masaya din mag-drive ng Euro and the expenses is almost equal to JDM. So, do consider Bimmers.
Your page, where can we find you?
So, just type Cheenie Hazel on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Ayan. So, it's Chenee Hazel. Ayan. Tapos mukha akong flower sa picture ko. So,
Ayan, titikitan ako, so makahanap ko siya agad.
Yeah.
Pero ano, hindi ba narinig natin yung mga motorcycle natin? Sarap sa ears, di ba? Sobrang satisfying. Ngayon, sir,
Ano ba? Ano gusto ni Zane?
oh,
Sabi sa kanina pa eh. Ano kaya yung gusto ni Zane? Gasket?
gusto ko siyang marinig.
ah,
Pwede ba? Gusto niyo rin ba yun?
pwede ba?
Okay, and now, attending.
Saan yung ano?
Yes.
Do, Bimmers are quiet.
Okay, can we ask help from our team? Baka po mainit yung namin eh.
Ah, you cannot, oh, okay.
You wanna ride? Can you help Miss Yas? Yung ating pong mga kaibigan, Chini.
Alright, teka lang, ako na. I am an independent girly.
Pinibigyan na ako.
Nagmo-multitasking na siya, Chini.
Alright, ayan.
Ayan,
Oh.
everything here safe na pa.
So, it's supercharged. Ayan.
Wow. What if may nasa isip ko?
Ayan, so if you have Bimmers, go to Bimmer Monkeys. Ayan, follow Bimmer Monkeys on Facebook.
Monkeys.
Yes. Tanong ha?
Oh, meron kaming tanong, yun. Yung pinakamalupit na tanong. Anong tanong, Miss Jane? Gasket?
Yes, our big single turbos.
Gusto ko yun. Pakiulit mo, i-record natin eh.
Yun lang.
Sini, tell us about the family you have. Where can we see you train? Where do you train? And how long does one have kung magta-train siya for this kind of sport?
Okay, so we usually start with AAP's Motorsports Development Program. So usually we post about it and you don't need a race car. You just bring your daily car. Kahit automatic pa yan. So we'll teach you the basics. So follow AAP's page lang and maybe mid this year they're just gonna announce it.
Okay, for everybody, I know you have heard the question. May nagpatanong, kung ikaw ay isang kotse, anong parte ka ng kotse mo at bakit?
I like that.
Pakisagot, ngayon na.
Ako yung blow-off valve. Yung whoosh!
Ooh!
Tapos pag sira,
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all clap our hands. CD and Hippity!
Thanks for having me.
Pasado sa interview.
Magaling yung nag-interview eh.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Ay, parang great lang po.
Ah, sige. Diyan.
Dito po.
Okay. Hello, Oliver! Wala lang, shoutout lang. Yun lang!
Sige po.
Ha?
Dala mo yung CD na paprobinsya.
Ay, ang dami nagalit sa Honda nun. So, hindi nila naintindihan yung joke. Akala nila Baguio joke. Di ba, abot ba Baguio?
Ano dala mo ngayon?
Ha? Ito dala. Ngayon naka 5 series ako. Yung EG ayaw pa umuwi eh. May sariling mundo yung bata ko. Katuwa yung underglow. Kung gusto nyo underglow, si Lit63 sa Instagram. Okay, so right now we're gonna go shotgun with Dr. Drift, and I have my 360. Ayan, so let's see what happens. But obviously we're going sideways, so let's go. Sobrang rich! Ang sakit ng mata ko! Ayoko na ng RP, gusto na JC. Okay, so we just finished our shotgun. Ang saya! Ang funny Jawbone, kakatuwa. So that's what 750 horses feel like pala.
Ipabalita mo ba sa
Woo! Jay-Z for life. So I just wanna say thank you to Autocraft Drift. Congrats on the successful Fans Day. Ayan, super enjoy. Like, I really love the crowd. So yeah. Saya! Okay, so we're about to go home and we got a big ass goodie bag. So let me know if you want an unboxing of this or kung ano. But yeah. Bigat ah. So yeah, that's it for today. See you guys in the next episode. Yun lang. Tututu.